Enter your credentials and click Login to access the DBSync cloud replication. Following this, click the Add App button to create your first replication application. Enter a profile name in the field to create a profile. After this, click the Save Changes button to create the new profile. Now, click the Salesforce to SQL Server profile to start the replication process. Next, click Connect to Salesforce (OAuth) to authenticate your Salesforce account. From here, click Save to store the Salesforce connection settings. Next, click Test Connection to verify the Salesforce configuration. After that, click OK to confirm that the connection was successfully established. Next, click the Database tab to configure the SQL Server connection settings. After entering the configuration details, click Save to store the database connection settings. Next, click Test Connection to validate the database connection. Next, click the Objects tab to select the objects for replication. Next, use the Find Objects search field to locate and select specific objects. Select any object of your choice to start the replication process. Click Run to access the available functionalities. Next, click Clean Copy to perform a full initial load of the contact object to your target database. After that, click the expand arrow to view detailed logs for the running profile. Next, click Edit and modify a contact record in Salesforce Source App to test incremental sync. Then click Save to apply the changes made to contact information. Now, select the Salesforce to SQL Server log entry for further action. Next, click on Run and execute Source to DB, incremental, to run an incremental data synchronization. You can view the sync progress, status, and duration on the logs page. Make the required modifications on the target side and set the Do Sync flag to S to sync the changes back to the source app. After this, click DB to Source to initiate replication from the database back to the source. Following this, click the expand arrow to view detailed logs for the selected profile entry. Next, open the contact record on Salesforce to view the updated details. Then click on Schedule Jobs to configure automated replication tasks. From here, select a Repeat Frequency option for your scheduled job task and save the task. After that, click Notification to configure alert settings for scheduled jobs. Afterwards, click the Channel Type drop-down to select your preferred notification method. If you want to receive email notifications, select the Email Recipients option and add the recipient details. Select the Send on Days option and apply process filters if required.